All right. Mild and dry out there this morning, and Bob, we're talking about this 10-degree jump in temperatures in the last couple hours. Maybe you can explain to folks at home what's happening out there.
Yeah.
Well, it's a smaller local scale feature called the Snake River Plain. Normally we have the winds that blow through Boise on the average now, southeast in the morning, northwest in the afternoon.
Okay.
But we just had a wind shift. We had northwest winds up until about 2 hours ago. They shifted to the east-northeast, and now we're getting a big, well, we're getting a little bit of a wind out there, as you'll see, but also some much milder temperatures. The temperature jumped about 10 degrees in just 2 hours. So I'm having to scramble and revise my forecast. And I'll tell you, forecasting it for a long time, you could really blow your high temperature if you don't take into account an easterly wind. Sometimes the winds don't switch over in the afternoon and it just stays easterly or southeasterly. That could blow the high temperature by 10 degrees. It could be 10 degrees warmer than what you forecast. So.
Wow. So maybe we'll have that today.
Welcome to Forecasting in Idaho. Let's get right to it. First off, we're going to take a look at some precipitation. 0.11 for observed precipitation. That's in the last 24 hours. That includes yesterday's rain. And we are having a surplus as far as the daily rain. We have a surplus as far as our monthly rain, almost, well, just over ½ an inch of rain for the month. And for the water year, we're looking even better. This is for Boise now. 7.43 is what we've had. Over 5 inches is what we average, and we're ahead by just over 2 inches, almost 2.5 inches of rain. McCall Winter Carnival going on this week, of course. A lot of people head up from Boise for the weekend, looking at a rain-snow mix in the city of McCall for Friday and Saturday. And temperatures about 10 degrees cooler than what we'll experience. Mostly cloudy with a rain-snow mix on Sunday, so a little bit more blue sky on Sunday. Here's our weather headlines. Looking at a mild morning, the temperature has jumped up. And you'll see what it is here in just a moment. Rain showers Friday afternoon into Saturday, and then more rain in the forecast for Monday. Here's a live look outside. We have dry pavement out there, and temperatures pretty mild compared to what we've had. Here is a look at our current temperature. Let's see if it's changed. We have 49 degrees in Boise. Wasn't long ago that would be our high temperature for the day. 45 for Nampa, Caldwell at 39, Mountain Home at 42, and McCall at 32. Here is our weather scenario. We still have that subtropical train of moisture train on the Pacific Northwest, and that high pressure ridge, that stationary ridge, is giving us a little bit of a drying period, but generally for that precipitation there's only one way to go, and that's to be funneled right through the Pacific Northwest when we have the polar jet to the north, subtropical jet, and a good tap of moisture from the tropics. It's also giving us some mild temperatures because of that mild tropical air entrained into this flow. I have a low pressure system just off the northwest coast, looking at some rain for Seattle and Portland. Here's our future cast as we go through the time steps. This is this evening with some rain showers and high elevation snow to the north. As we head into the Friday, though, that's when we'll start to moisten up, and we're looking at a real good chance of seeing some rain showers throughout the day, mainly in the afternoon on Friday on into Saturday. So here's what we're looking at as far as a forecast for Boise. Looking at mostly cloudy with a high near 50 today, 30% chance of showers. That chance of showers increases into an 80% chance by Saturday, a break on Sunday, more rain possible on Monday. And look at the mild temperatures with highs near 60 on Saturday. Back to the desk.